Hello viewers, this is Azharul Rafy once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to turn off video autoplay on Facebook app while you scroll through. And to do this, you have to click here on these three lines and then find settings and privacy option and then click on settings. And after coming here on this page, just scroll at the bottom of the page and you will find media and contacts. Click on it and you will find on this page here autoplay options. So here now currently selected on mobile data and Wi-Fi connections. So whenever you are connected to your phone through a internet connection, maybe it is with your mobile data or Wi-Fi, the video will be automatically played. But if we select this one on Wi-Fi connections only, then whenever we will connect our mobile device through a internet connection through a Wi-Fi network, only then the videos will be played. But if we want to make them totally off or turn off, then you just have to click on never autoplay videos. So this is our settings and the changes have been saved, and now the videos will not be played automatically. So this was the process to turn off the video autoplaying on Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you have found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos. Thank you very much.